Here's 5 signs that you won't leave because you have a soul tie. And that's why no matter what this person do to you, you won't let them go. Number 1, your relationship or your marriage, it feels bad all the time. You have no peace, you have no joy, and you're not happy. Many people won't leave because of fear. They're in situations like this. You know you're not happy. You know you're not supposed to be there. You're operating in fear. And no matter what this person does to you, you won't walk away because you hope that they're going to change for you, but you fear that they'll change when they get with him or when they get with her. We can't change people, y'all. That's not what God called us to do. You have to be free from that. Number 2, you avoid saying what you need to say because there's just no point. Nothing has changed or nothing changes. It has gotten worse. This is when you stay with people that you know you're not supposed to be with, and it changes you for the worse. Soul ties are very dangerous. One, they manipulate you, confuse you, take you out of character, and they make you settle. If you're not careful, you will end up being the same way that the person you're soul tied to is. And the most dangerous soul tie you can have is with a narcissistic individual. There are a lot of people out there right now who are struggling with this. They're dealing with it. They won't walk away because they think that if they do walk away, they lost. You didn't lose, you won. Number 3, there's no effort from you or them anymore. The relationship or the marriage is mundane, stale, dry, and boring. Oh, I'm pretty sure I think I heard you scream in that area because you've been there for years and nothing has changed. Everything is just bleh. The excitement is gone. The thrill is gone. The joy is gone. Your peace is gone. I mean, I can go on forever about that. And you won't walk away because you're hoping that things are going to go back to where they used to be. I want to fall in love again with the man that I fell in love with. I want to fall in love again with the woman I met and I fell in love with. No, you met their representative and now you're seeing the real them. Maya Angelou said, when somebody show you who they are, you believe them the first time. All right. Number 4, all the work, all the love, and all the compromise is only coming from you and only you. You're burned out because your relationship or your marriage is one-sided. Are you dealing with a one-sided relationship? Are you dealing with a one-sided marriage? And a lot of people struggle with this. When you carrying a relationship on your back, you carrying the marriage on your back, your person is dead weight to you. And you won't let them go no matter what. You would rather him or her be your problem, be your issue, versus you letting them go and being free. I say this all the time. The longer you hold on to who need to leave, the longer you hold up on who need to come. You have to be free. The Bible clearly tells you, for he whom the Son set free is free indeed. We are not in the business of keeping people who don't want to be kept. And you and I, we're not a rehabilitation center for broken people. That is not our job. Okay? And number 5, fifth and final one, you feel like you're never enough and you can never please them no matter what you do. You're wasting your time. Have you done this, that, and it's still not enough? You're wasting good years on bad fruit. It's easier to give birth than raise the dead. That's not your job. And listen, you can never be the right man for the wrong woman. And you can never be the right woman for the wrong man. We have to stop doing that. There are a lot of people out there who struggle with that. And you possibly going through this right now, trying to be the right person for the wrong person. That's not our job. All right. If you're dealing with any of this that I covered in these 5 points, please comment below, like and subscribe to this video and get the word out. Share. I want to hear from you. God bless you. Go in peace.